What's up guys, Simon here. In this video, I'm excited to try out these very popular Amazon earbuds. They are the Power Q20 Pro. We're gonna go ahead and put these on. These are over the ear earbuds. They are supposed to be really good. It's a USB-C charging case, up to 10 hours of battery life playing. They're sweat and water resistant. It means you could wear them in the gym. They have detachable silicone ear hooks, which make it a little bit easier to adjust to your ear and adjust that ear hook. So let's see how these are. We're gonna go ahead, unbox them, review them, and I'll give you my thoughts if these are as good as some of the other brands I have reviewed. Before I get into this video, I always appreciate you guys liking the video, subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so already, checking out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. Let's get into this unboxing. Okay, so here's the box for the Q20 Pro. Very simple box. It's black. It has the picture of actually the product, and they're supposed to be really wireless. I like the design. I like the charging indicator. The shrink wrap we're going to go ahead and remove, and once we get that out of the way, we can go ahead and see what's inside. On the side of the packaging, there's not much detail. It just really says they're sweat resistant, over the ear protection. The picture looks really good. The packaging itself is pretty sturdy and thick. There is avoid charge failure warning. You get a little plastic baggie with a cloth to wipe it. Inside here, you probably get your USB-C cable. So the packaging is pretty nice so far. You get your extra ear tips. There are two other sets. A small USB-A to USB-C. That's it. That's all that's in there. Here's the case. Wow, this case is pretty big, guys. It actually looks like the Power Beats Pro that I had case. Very similar. They open like so. The weight of the case is pretty hefty. It definitely has a good flap. I mean, these feel good. It's just a big case. So there is little plastic that covers the indicator, and it says you have 90% battery life. I do like the fact that this will tell you how much battery life you have. They pop in like so, and the magnet actually works really well here. So it pops in and you can see the charging indicator. It's charging both earbuds now. Now the earbuds themselves are nice and orange colored. This is a button here, so you could press to turn it on and off. There's two charging magnets there. Now it is a dual microphone. You could see the mics on the earpieces themselves. These look really good for the price. So we're gonna go into that in a bit. Now again, they pop in this way and they charge like that. Very simple. I do like the design. Okay, now that we got these unboxed, I'm gonna go ahead, pair them with my iPhone and see how they sound. I'm expecting really good bass, really good quality, and we're gonna go over the specs. I'm also gonna make a phone call with these, see how they sound with the phone call, if there's muffling, if there's transparency mode, etc. Okay, so before pairing them, I went ahead and put them on, and they actually feel really good in the ear. You're not getting too much noise canceling from the ear tip, so you could step up and put on a bigger ear tip if you want more of that noise muffling sound. However, they're very light, guys, and they don't feel heavy on the ears. The loop really holds them in place. Again, this loop is removable and adjustable according to them. So you could pop it out. I'm not going to go ahead and do that, but it's definitely adjustable. So pop it back in and it's ready. For me, they fit really good on my ear. I do like, again, the case as well, although it is a little big. So we're going to go ahead and get into the Bluetooth section of the iPhone. There they are. They pop up right away. We're already paired. That's how easy it is. I hear someone say connected. All right, let's go into a music app. I'm going to go ahead and play a rap song that I personally like. We're going to test the bass, and then we could go ahead and test something a little bit more modest that can possibly have more treble or acoustics to it versus bass. Here we go. volume in comparison to some of the other earbuds I have. Now, you could change the setting in your iPhone to remove the volume limiter. These have almost no bass, guys. So if you're looking at the Q20 Pros, I am not hearing any bass. You could adjust the volume on each earbud itself as well, and that's pretty nice, but there's no bass. So if you're looking for an earbud that's going to give you bass while you're working out, because it's important to amplify yourself with the music, these are not it. I will go ahead and test another song. This song is going to be a country song, and we're going to go ahead and see the acoustics, okay?
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
So playing the acoustics in this country song, they are not any better, to be honest with you, than anything that I've tested. So I'm not a big fan of the sound coming out of these Q20 Pros, and that's an honest review. In terms of a phone call, I did make a phone call already. They're pretty decent for a phone call. However, these are meant for working out, not phone calls. Another thing I keep hearing is a hiss in my right ear. It sounds horrible. It's as if there's interference or frequency. I'm going to say no to these. Do not waste your money. We will go over the facts still on these. Now you could also go over the manual on these. Very simple to use. You got two earbuds. You have a press and play on each earbud in terms of sound. They fit well. They just don't sound well. So let's take these off. There was a hissing. I couldn't stand filming while the hissing was happening. Now the Power Q20 Pros are going for around $26. They are well reviewed on Amazon. There's over 6,000 reviews, 6,600 in fact. I'm not sure how they got a 4.5 or 5-star review on these. I absolutely would not buy them, sorry. No bass, the treble's okay, the mids are okay. They sound clear, hissing in the right ear. However, they just don't sound like a great earbud for the price. These feature Bluetooth 5.1 technology for latency. It's great, however, they're just not that good in sound. So it doesn't matter about the latency. I feel like the driver is not powerful in these earbuds. Now these did have hi-fi stereo with noise canceling built in. Unfortunately, the noise canceling to me is not as good as some of the other earbuds I have tested, so I cannot vouch for these. Partly, I had to switch the ear tips to a bigger ear tip, and still the noise canceling was just not that good. The ear hook is great for sports and activities. Now, if you're wearing a helmet, you won't be able to wear these, but anything like active sports, these are going to be good in terms of wear, not sound. They do offer up to 40 hours playtime with this big charging case. However, 10 hours on each earbud is pretty good as well. The pairing was super simple. I was able to pair these guys up by just taking them out of the box or out of the case and pairing them with my Bluetooth. It was super simple. It was easy. Once the pairing happened, I did my test, and of course, I did not like the quality. And that's because I've just reviewed so many different earbuds for the same price that provided a lot more value than the Power Q20 Pros. I would totally look elsewhere in this price range. You could check out some of my other videos of reviews I have done, including some of the better lines that are out there, more popular product brands that you could go with. The Q20 Pros just don't have that audio that you could get for the same money. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this review. Honest review as always. We buy our products. Show some support for us for doing these reviews by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, follow us on all our social media platforms including Instagram, and check out techvisibility.com for the latest product news and reviews. I'll catch you guys here in the next video. Thank you.